Okay, today I'm going to introduce you and hopefully explain how to scan a document as a PDF into your Google Drive. Okay, we're going to use two different applications. I'm going to have two videos up, one for Drive and one for Adobe Scan. You can see those items on my screen right now. So starting with Drive. Okay, probably the easiest way, and I know this method works on Android devices, however the feature is not enabled on iPhones. So if you have an iPhone, the Adobe Scan might be the way to go. So let's try Google Drive. So I'm going to select Google Drive. It's going to load up. Don't want that message. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a scan. So we're going to hit the plus button, and we're going to come over here. You'll see a camera icon for scan. I'm going to click on that icon, and I'm going to allow Drive to take pictures and videos and stuff. So here I have a couple of pages, right, in here that I'm going to try and scan into a document. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it in front of the camera, like so. It doesn't have to be, you don't have to try and fit it like that or anything like that. Just take a picture. It can even be on an angle, a little bit like this. You're going to take a picture. And what's going to happen is we're going to say, okay, that looks all right, and you hit a check mark, and what it does is it's going to actually flatten out that photo and hopefully clean it up a little bit. I mean, that's not great. You can even rotate it if you want, what have you. If you don't like it, you can go back and take another picture, right? So let me try it like so. All right. Check mark that. It's going to process the picture, it's going to flatten it, it's going to chop off the edges and everything, and I can say, okay, let's add. If I want to add another one, I'm going to use that little plus down in the bottom left and say, okay, I want to add another page. And so I'm going to move that page out, and I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to take a picture of a second page, and I'm going to hit the check mark, and it scans it, right? It's going to make a nice, beautiful thing, beautiful PDF. I can keep scanning more pages. If I'd like to add more pages to this document, to this PDF, I can go ahead and add as many pages as I want. I can take a couple pictures, try and make sure that it's pretty and it fits, everything is right. Finally, when we're done scanning all the pages that we want, we're going to hit save, and we can pick, okay, this is going to go into my Sparta account, this is going to go into my Drive. I can rename it. This is a test scan PDF, hit save, and there you go. Now that document, that PDF file, is going to appear in your Google Drive. Okay, there you go.